Imagine a future where flying across the world takes less time than watching a movie, where New York to London is not an 8-hour journey, but a quick 90-minute hop, where circumnavigating the entire planet takes just 7 hours. This is not a science fiction scene. This is the future China says it is building right now. China's private aerospace company, Lingkong Tianxing, has unveiled a project so ambitious that it challenges everything we know about aviation. A Mach 16 passenger jet, an aircraft so fast that it would travel nearly 20,000 kilometers per hour, pushing the boundaries of physics, engineering, and human imagination. And while the idea sounds like something out of a futuristic novel, the truth is that the technology behind this project is already being tested in real skies. The company's hypersonic prototype, named Yunxing, has already flown at Mach 4. That's roughly 3,069 miles per hour, 4 times the speed of sound. During its October test flight, the aircraft demonstrated stability, control, and propulsion at hypersonic speeds, marking a major milestone for China's aerospace ambitions. Engine tests scheduled for November are expected to push the envelope even further, bringing the aircraft closer to the astonishing Mach 16 target that could revolutionize global travel. To understand the magnitude of this achievement, consider what Mach 16 means. At this speed, the jet could cross the Pacific Ocean in less than 2 hours. A trip from Shanghai to Los Angeles would take slightly over 90 minutes. A flight from Beijing to London, the kind that typically takes more than 10 hours, would be reduced to something shorter than a school lecture. These numbers aren't just improvements, they're category-breaking transformations that would redefine time itself. For many, the last time aviation felt this futuristic was during the age of the Concorde. When it entered service in 1976, the Concorde was not just a plane, it was a symbol of human achievement. Flying at Mach 2, twice the speed of sound, it glided through the stratosphere while its passengers enjoyed champagne, fine dining, and views of the Earth's curvature. On its best days, the Concorde could complete the London-New York run in just under 3 hours, a stunning record that still inspires engineers today. But the Concorde's story was also a harsh reminder of technological limits. Its engines were loud, its sonic boom cracked windows, and its efficiency lagged behind modern aircraft. The 2000 crash in Paris dealt a devastating blow, and combined with high fuel costs and declining demand, both British Airways and Air France retired the Concorde in 2003. The dream of commercial supersonic travel faded, and for years it remained a memory rather than a roadmap. But now the world is entering a new chapter, one driven by hypersonic speeds, advanced materials, AI-controlled systems, and next-generation propulsion technologies. And China wants to lead that chapter. Lingkong Tianxing's vision extends far beyond a single aircraft. The company is part of a network of Chinese innovators working on reusable rockets, space planes, ultra-fast propulsion, and high-efficiency thermal shielding, technologies essential for surviving Mach 16 flight. The Yunxing prototype is designed to endure extreme temperatures generated by the friction of air at hypersonic speed. At Mach 16, the air around the aircraft compresses so violently that parts of the surface glow like heated metal. Managing that heat safely is one of aerospace engineering's greatest challenges, and China is working aggressively to overcome it. But China is not alone in this race. Around the world, research teams and aerospace companies are trying to bring back the age of high-speed air travel, only faster, quieter, and smarter. Visionary designers like Oscar Vinyals have imagined futuristic aircraft such as the AHYM, a concept jet capable of achieving speeds above Mach 5 using hybrid propulsion systems. NASA has made significant progress with its X-59 program, which aims to eliminate the sonic boom problem through unique aerodynamic shaping. If successful, it could allow supersonic jets to fly over land without disturbing cities below. Chinese company Mach has been developing a supersonic passenger jet so quiet that, according to its designers, it would produce less noise at Mach 1 than a modern car on the highway. And in the United States, Venus Aerospace is experimenting with aerospike engines and advanced cooling systems for aircraft that could theoretically connect London to New York in just 1 hour. These breakthroughs are part of a global movement, a belief that long-distance travel should not take half a day, a belief that the world should feel smaller, more connected, and more accessible. And while many designs remain experimental, each successful test, each engine run, and each aerodynamic breakthrough brings us a step closer to that future. The real question now is not whether hypersonic travel will become reality, but who will achieve it first. If Lingkong Tianxing reaches Mach 16 capability, China could leap ahead in a technology that would reshape global business, diplomacy, tourism, and strategic mobility. A world where flying to the other side of the planet becomes as routine as catching a train. A world where global time zones feel less like barriers and more like optional settings. For the first time in decades, humanity is standing at the edge of a new aviation revolution. The Concorde showed us what was possible. The Yunxing and the hypersonic projects following it promise to take us far beyond. Whether China's Mach 16 jet becomes the next Concorde or something far greater, one thing is certain. The next era of flight has already begun, and the race to dominate it is accelerating faster than ever. This is Mighty Military. Stay sharp, stay informed.